On the My Menu page, click the detailed Weekly Preferences button to access your My Week menu grid. Or click the Weekly Preferences icon on the navigation bar from any page. This feature allows you to view and edit your planned My Menu for the full week. You have the option to enter your preferences by the meal or for multiple days. You can also quickly delete undesired food or recipes. Let's walk through how to add a food or recipe. Notice you are currently in preview mode. If you prefer oatmeal for breakfast on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, it can easily be added to the grid. To narrow your search, begin by checking the Recipes Only box. Then, type oatmeal in the search box, and the database of recipes will begin to populate. Next, scroll through the list and click on your selection. Gray boxes will appear in the calendar and you are now in edit mode. You may view the recipe before adding it by clicking on the source link. Now, select the mealtime and day of the week in the calendar grid by clicking in the gray box to add the recipe. Click Cancel to remove the edits or Save to confirm your edits. If the added food or recipe does not meet your selected food restriction preferences or has been altered to meet them, the meal warning box will open. Confirm the substitution to keep the changes and you will see the edits have been saved and are now back in preview mode. To delete a food or recipe from your planned My Menu, hover over the title and a green trash can will appear. Click on the trash can and it will turn red. You are now in delete mode. You may make multiple edits. Then, click on the Delete button to remove the items from your My Menu or the Cancel button to undo the planned delete. Use the icon at the top of the page to return to your My Menu. You will see all the foods or recipes have been added or deleted, and any days in which edits have been made will automatically rebalance to meet the caloric target.